Welcome back. In this lesson, we're just going to be writing to the database through Postman. Eventually, will be done through the app, but it's Postman for testing. So we go to Data Cloud Firestore. Just change the text a bit. 80. Send this. And watch over here. Should pop up a new one, as we've written here. So how do we do this? Come into here under this new function, create job posts, functions.https on request. So we get a request and response as we did up here. You want to create this const new job equals job description, request body job description, job title is request body job title. So what is that? That's in here. This is the request body, so you got request dot the body, which is this thing, then dot job description, which is this. So that'll be here. And then we'll add this whole new job to the database. So admin.firestore.collection job post .add new job. So if you come over here, that's this job post collection, adding a document which will create its own ID. So it'll be auto ID, and then the information will go on there. So once that's done, so we'll send that to the database, and it gives back a document reference to say document complete, post successful, and it'll give us an ID reference. So if we look in that other one, the ID reference, it said document this reference document with this reference created successfully. If you look in here, that's the same number, so that's the ID. So it gives us back this message. And then if there's an error because it didn't go right, response.status 500 for a server error, then .json, something went wrong. And then we'll also console log the error as well. So once you've done that, Command S to save, Command Shift P, open your terminal, Firebase, deploy, -- only functions. I've redone it, but you'll do that, you'll see what happens here. So once that's done, come into functions. You see the create job post function here. Oops, I'm going to copy this. And then come into Postman. I'll do this again for you, so go up here, click a new one. Make sure you change this to post up the top. Body, raw, text is JSON. We'll go back to this other one, just copy this out. And click send. And another document was created, like that. So that should all go smoothly for you. If it didn't, just come back and check you haven't left out anything silly in here. If you're still having troubles, come into functions logs. And it might say like something was undefined on this line, whatever. So then you'll come into here and say, oh, that's why, because this was not quite correct or something like that. I'm missing out some brackets. So that's all for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.